Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been requested so many times, anti-aging. But not just any anti-aging solution, we're talking about natural, powerful, and easy-to-find fruits that can work better than collagen supplements. Yes, better than collagen. Now before you think, wait, better than collagen? Really? Let me explain. Collagen supplements have their place, absolutely. But the truth is, our bodies don't just absorb collagen like magic. In fact, your body needs specific vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants to make and maintain collagen properly. And that's exactly where these 5 fruits come in. They don't just support collagen production, they actually protect the collagen you already have, and in many cases, stimulate your skin, hair, and cells in ways that supplements alone can't. Best part? All 5 of these fruits are easily available in your local grocery store or market. You've probably walked past them 100 times without realizing their anti-aging power. So if you're serious about keeping your skin youthful, your energy levels up, and aging graceful, stick around. We're going to go deep into each fruit, break down the science, the benefits, and how you can add them to your daily routine. Alright, let's start with one of the most underrated fruits for skin care, pomegranate. Pomegranate is a powerhouse when it comes to antioxidants. It contains compounds like punicalagins and ellagic acid. These aren't just fancy words, these are active compounds that protect your skin from UV damage and oxidative stress, which are 2 major causes of premature aging. When you're out in the sun, your skin gets bombarded with UV rays that break down collagen and create free radicals. Pomegranate helps neutralize those free radicals, and studies have shown it even helps preserve existing collagen. But it doesn't stop there. Pomegranate has also been linked to improved skin elasticity and hydration. It supports blood flow, which means more nutrients are reaching your skin cells, and that shows up as a healthy glow. How do you eat it? Honestly, however you like. The seeds, also known as arils, are great in salads, yogurt, oatmeal, or just by themselves. Fresh pomegranate juice is another amazing option, just avoid the bottled, sugary versions. You want the pure, fresh stuff. A tip? Try drinking a glass of pomegranate juice after sun exposure. It helps repair damage at the cellular level. Think of it as a post-sun internal lotion for your skin. Next up is a fruit that people often think of as just a snack or smoothie ingredient, but it's so much more than that. Blueberries. Blueberries are often called one of the most antioxidant-rich fruits on the planet, and for good reason. They're rich in anthocyanins, the pigment that gives them their deep blue color. And these compounds help reduce inflammation, support cell regeneration, and slow down the aging process of your skin. Now, inflammation is one of the key drivers of aging. Chronic low-level inflammation doesn't just affect your joints or digestion, it affects your skin, too. Puffy eyes, sagging, dullness, all can be linked to inflammation. And blueberries are your first line of defense. They also improve circulation, which means your skin gets more oxygen and nutrients, and this improves overall tone, texture, and that youthful glow we're all chasing. You can have blueberries raw, frozen, in smoothies, on top of oats, or even mixed into nut butter. Frozen ones actually retain a lot of their antioxidant power, so don't worry if fresh ones are expensive or seasonal. One amazing tip: pair blueberries with foods rich in vitamin C, like kiwi or lemon. This combination supercharges your collagen building process, and the result is smoother, plumper skin. Now let's talk about avocado. Technically a fruit, avocado is one of the richest sources of healthy fats. Specifically monounsaturated fats, which are fantastic for skin hydration. If you've ever struggled with dry, flaky, or irritated skin, chances are your skin barrier is compromised. That outer layer of your skin, the lipid barrier, keeps moisture in and toxins out. And avocado helps strengthen that barrier. Avocados are also packed with vitamin E, a well-known antioxidant that helps repair damaged skin, calm inflammation, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and scars. There's even evidence that regular consumption of avocado boosts skin elasticity, meaning firmer, tighter, more youthful skin. You can enjoy avocado in salads, on toast, blended into smoothies, or even just with a pinch of salt and lemon juice. And externally, you can use mashed avocado as a hydrating face mask. Mix it with a teaspoon of honey and leave it on for 10 minutes. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and nourished. Now, our fourth fruit might surprise you. It's papaya. Papaya is one of the most skin-friendly fruits you can find. It's rich in papain, an enzyme that naturally exfoliates your skin, not just externally but internally as well. It helps your digestive system eliminate toxins, and when your gut is clean, your skin shows it. What makes papaya special is that it works on multiple layers. It brightens dull skin, helps fade dark spots, reduces pigmentation, and smooths out rough texture. It's also loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, the trio your skin needs to look youthful. Vitamin A promotes cell turnover, vitamin C builds collagen, and vitamin E protects against sun damage. Eating just a small bowl of papaya 3 to 4 times a week can make a noticeable difference in skin clarity and brightness. And if you have leftover papaya peel, gently rub it on your face. It's a traditional skincare hack that's actually backed by science. The enzymes lightly exfoliate, leaving your skin smoother and more even. Last but not least, let's talk about kiwi. Kiwi is one of the richest sources of vitamin C, even more than oranges. And here's the thing, without enough vitamin C, your body can't produce collagen. Period. So if you're spending money on collagen powders but you're low on vitamin C, you're kind of wasting your money. Kiwi steps in as the ultimate support system. It helps convert amino acids into collagen, improves iron absorption, and enhances skin healing. It's especially useful for people dealing with under-eye dark circles, sagging skin, or dullness. Kiwi is also rich in fiber, folate, and potassium, which contribute to overall cellular health. Have it as a snack, toss it into a fruit salad, or blend it into your smoothie. You can even eat the skin, yes, really. It's loaded with fiber and antioxidants, though you might want to scrub it well first. If you want to get even more out of kiwi, try pairing it with pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds. These are high in zinc, another key mineral in the collagen production process. The combination of vitamin C and zinc is like giving your skin a power boost. Now let's take a step back. These 5 fruits, pomegranate, blueberries, avocado, papaya, and kiwi, aren't just foods. They're skin treatments in edible form. They fight inflammation, support collagen, protect from sun and pollution, and promote healthy cell regeneration. But to truly see their effects, consistency is key. You can't eat a bowl of papaya once and expect your wrinkles to vanish. Just like with exercise or sleep, the results build up over time. Here are some quick bonus tips to help you get the most out of these fruits. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Water helps transport all the nutrients from these fruits to your cells. Without enough water, even the best diet can fall short. Number 2. Avoid sugar and processed foods. They cause something called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers and make them stiff and brittle. That means more wrinkles and less elasticity. Number 3. Combine these fruits with healthy fats and proteins. This helps absorb the vitamins more effectively. For example, vitamin A and E are fat-soluble, so they need fat to be absorbed. That's where avocado shines. And number 4, sleep. Your body builds and repairs collagen when you sleep. So all the fruit in the world won't help much if you're running on 4 hours of rest. At the end of the day, aging is natural, and honestly, it's beautiful. But premature aging? That's something we can manage. And we don't need expensive creams or surgeries to do it. we just need to get back to nature. Listen to what our body needs. Feed it with intention. And nourish it from within. If you start adding these fruits into your daily diet, not just once in a while, but consistently, you'll start seeing and feeling the difference. So, which of these 5 fruits are you already eating? And which one are you going to try after watching this video? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with someone who might be wasting money on collagen powders without realizing the natural power of food. Thanks for spending time with me today. Remember, your skin reflects what you feed your body, so feed it with love, care, and a whole lot of color. See you in the next video.